Manmohan Singh was laid to death at Nigambodh Ghat. Tributes were paid to the great economist and liberalizer. But Congress was unhappy with Manmohan Singh's funeral venue and demanded that Dr. Singh's memorial should be constructed at Rajghat. However, Centre has assured that a space for the memorial would be allocated.
देखिए, हम सब जानते हैं कि हमारे शहर में, हमारी राजधानी में काफ़ी मेमोरियल्स है, तो इसलिए एक और करने में ज़्यादा दिक्कत नहीं होनी चाहिए। मेरे ख्याल में सरकार तो ऐसे कुछ तय करना चाहिए जल्दी कि मनमोहन सिंह जी की याद रखने के लिए कुछ अच्छा, एक अच्छी समाधि बना।
The way world leaders are remembering him from UK, from the US, he was a true global statesman, and I think today the world has lost a tremendous leader. Of course, it's a tremendous loss for India and a loss for the Congress party.
Congress leader and LOP Rahul Gandhi slammed the BJP over memorial venue. But BJP hit out at Congress and urged them not to do petty politics. BJP leader and grandson of former Prime Minister P.V. Narasimha Rao also hit out at Congress and claimed that Congress ill-treated their own leaders.
During the death of Narasimha Rao, the Congress party doesn't want his mortal remains to be at Delhi. They have persuaded us, the family members, to shift to Hyderabad. And the then Prime Minister and his cabinet colleagues and the Congress party leaders have assured us that a memorial site will be built in Hyderabad, though we were not really interested because Narasimha Rao has spent all his life in Delhi.
कांग्रेस जिसने डॉक्टर मनमोहन सिंह को जीते जी कभी भी वास्तविक सम्मान नहीं दिया, अब उनके सम्मान के नाम पर राजनीति कर रहे हैं। गांधी परिवार ने अपने परिवार को छोड़कर देश के किस नेता, बड़े नेता को सम्मान दिया है और न ही उनके साथ न्याय किया है, चाहे वह कांग्रेस पार्टी से हो या विपक्ष से हो।
संस्कार हो गया, उसको ट्रस्ट बनेगी, ट्रस्ट के नाते से जो उपयुक्त स्थानों को उपयुक्त स्थान सरकार देने को तैयार है, परंतु इसमें राजनीति कर रहे हैं, ये ठीक नहीं है। अफसोस है कि इसको जानकर सिख वर्सेस अदर्स पार्टीज का विषय बना रहे हैं, ये ठीक नहीं है।
Meanwhile, Pranab Mukherjee's daughter Sharmistha Mukherjee slammed Congress for overlooking legacy of its own leaders. But later, she changed their stance and appealed that there should not be any controversy over the memorial for late Dr. Manmohan Singh.
मोर और लेस एक ये हमारा ट्रेडिशन रहा कि जो फॉर्मर प्राइम मिनिस्टर्स हैं उनके लिए मेमोरियल बनते हैं। पीवी नरसिम्हा राव जी एक एक्सेप्शन थे और डॉक्टर मनमोहन सिंह जी का स्टेलर कंट्रीब्यूशन देख के तो मैं तो पूरी तरह से मानती हूं उनका मेमोरियल पे कोई कंट्रोवर्सी नहीं होना चाहिए और उनको भारत रत्न भी मिलना चाहिए।
The Congress at the very outside demanded that the cremation of Dr. Manmohan Singh, former Prime Minister of India, should take place at the same spot where his memorial could be built. But this tradition itself was rejected by the UPA government back in 2013 under the leadership of Dr. Manmohan Singh himself. However, the Home Minister decided that the cremation of Dr. Manmohan Singh would take place here at Nigambodh Ghat, which is a public crematory ground, and this decision itself has been looked down by the Congress party, and Mallikarjun Kharge himself said that it is a deliberate insult to the first Sikh Prime Minister of India, and now the Congress is demanding for a space where a memorial can be built.
The final rites concluded with full state honors as leaders from across the political spectrum demanded that Dr. Singh's legacy be honored.
पूरे हिंदुस्तान के लिए और दुनिया भर में डॉक्टर मनमोहन सिंह को चाहने वाले लोगों के लिए ये बहुत दुखद बात है कि केंद्र सरकार आज राजनीति में इस तरीके से निम्न स्तर पे आ गई है कि एक पूर्व प्रधानमंत्री को वो 1000 गज जमीन नहीं दे पाई जहां पे उनका दाह संस्कार हो जाए।
Dr. Manmohan Singh's final journey ends, but the legacy of economic reforms and his leadership will be remembered.